welcome back, everybody. So I'm here at the 3D printing stand, and I am joined by. Can you just give your name to everyone and what you're doing here?
All right, hello. My name is Xiaochen, and here I'm in charge of the 3D printer here. We are basically the printer is printing a astronaut now, and you can see the lunar outpost here, a miniature model, an astronaut, and a solar system over there.
So, how long does it take to 3D print something?
Well, it depends on the size of the thing you want. So, like for this one, it takes 50 minutes to do the models over there, the blue astronaut there. So 50 minutes.
Okay, 50 minutes. And what about the larger things at the back there? Is it a little bit longer, like that rocket? That's really cool.
That one, sadly, that one isn't printed by this one. It's printed by another printer because you can see the size. It's a lot bigger.
Okay. And you can buy these like for your home, right? And then you can just get these designs really easily, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. It cost about £1,500 for this, and the material is ABS plastic. It's not very expensive. It's like 50 quid per big roll.
And you can get cheaper ones than that, right? This is just a nice, really scientific one for research. So can you tell me a little bit about your research yourself, Xiaochen?
Well, my research is about microwave sintering and with the lunar regolith, basically lunar dust on the moon for construction use. So we're trying to, for the blueprint is to have an lunar outpost 3D printed on the moon in 50 years. And
wow, 15 years and we're going to have 50. I know that's fine. So 50 years we're living on the moon. Okay, cool. So that's being built out of the dust. How does that work then? Is this just 3D printing, you're heating it up, or?
Yeah, I mean, the dust rocks will be collected, crushed, and then heated up by the microwave and fused together, so to create the finished product.
And this isn't a microwave kind of in our homes, is it? Or like you can cook your food with it. This is a bigger industrial scale microwave, is that right?
Well, so that's why we are doing research about it. We're trying to see if a home microwave is capable of doing that, but on the moon. But obviously the other things, the nozzles, the extruder will be specially designed, yeah.
So, would you live on the moon then, in one of your, built houses?
Oh, well, I'm not gonna go by myself. If I go, I would say migrant as a group of people in the future, maybe in the next century. Hope I would live that time.
Okay, perfect. So, you're building moon bricks with moon dust. And what is it? So you said here that you're using a type of plastic. How do you simulate the moon dust then? Is there something you use special for that, or?
Well, the Apollo mission actually collect 300 kg of moon dust, but that is invaluable for us to do experiments. So we actually built a kind of simulant used for lab purpose, and we analyze the real lunar dust to know about it and trying to make something similar to it to different experiments. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So what's the coolest thing you've 3D printed so far then, and how is your experiments going so far? Do we have a little brick of moon dust here yet today, or?
Sadly, no. The only available thing we can show today are those toy-like thing. But for the simulant thing, we're still working on that, and we're gonna see if that thing works out. Yeah, hopefully.
Perfect. And you're a first-year PhD student, right? So you've got 2 more years to get all of this working and build yourself a small little bunker in your office. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Xiaochen.